Hi, I'm Sin with Two Hives, and I'm here to show you how to install your wax foundation into your medium frames. So here we have your medium frame, and on our medium frames, there's a little bit here that you have to knock out before being able to install your wax foundation. And you just take your hive tool, and you'll just get it out. You'll take your foundation, line it up with the wires, the protruding wires at the top, put it in, and then you'll want to slide it in flush with that top bit. And turn it over, and we're going to put this bit back in. And we use 5/8 inch nails. That way it doesn't protrude all the way through the top of it. It stays in.